Hello everyone, my name is CA Neeraj B. Welcome to my YouTube channel @Accounting Buddy NB. In today's lesson, we will practice over 100 plus questions and answers on the topic special purpose books under 6 categories. Very short questions, multiple choice, true and false, fill in the blanks, missing value problems and descriptive answers. Our focus will be on detailed study of subsidiary books such as purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, and journal proper. We will also learn mechanics of posting from these subsidiary books to the ledger. The aim of this practice session is to give you absolute clarity, strong conceptual understanding, and exam ready confidence. So grab a seat and stay till the end to master special purpose books. Under this section, let us take few very short answer type questions. Question number 1 is, what are special purpose books? The answer is, books used to record specific type of transactions are special purpose books. Question number 2 is, name any two special purpose books. The answer is sales book and cash book. Question number 3 is, why are special purpose books maintained? The answer is to simplify and speed up accounting. Question number 4, what is recorded in purchase book? The answer is credit purchases of the goods. Question number 5, what is recorded in the sales book? And the answer is credit sales of goods. Question number 6 is, what is recorded in the journal proper? And the answer is miscellaneous transactions not in other books are recorded in journal proper. Question number 7 is, are cash purchases recorded in the purchase book? And the answer is no, cash purchases are not recorded in the purchase book, only the credit purchases are recorded. Question number 8, what is a petty cash book? And the answer is a book for small cash expenses. Question number 9, what is recorded in the purchase return book? And the answer is goods returned to suppliers. Question number 10, is the journal proper used frequently? And the answer is no, only for rare adjustment entries it is used. Question number 11 is, what is the main benefit of using special purpose books? The answer is save times and reduces workload. Question number 12, are special purpose books optional? And the answer is no, they are essential in large businesses. Question number 13, what is the format of a cash book? And the answer is similar to a ledger with debit and credit sides. Question number 14, what kind of expenses go in the petty cash book? And the answer is small routine expenses like postage or stationery. Question number 15, does the cash book replace a ledger account? The answer is yes, for cash and bank accounts. Question number 16 is a debit note related to purchase return book? And the answer is yes, it is issued when the goods are returned. Question number 17, who maintains the petty cash book? And the answer is the petty cashier. Question number 18, in which account total of purchases return book is recorded? And the answer is purchase return account. Question number 19, what is meant by a sales return book? And the answer is it is a subsidiary book which records return of goods sold. Question number 20, give two examples of entries which appear in a journal proper. And the answer is credit purchase of plant and machinery and credit sale of fixed assets. Under this section, we will answer few multiple choice questions. Question number 21 is, which of the following is not a special purpose book? And the available options are option A, cash book, option B, purchase book, option C, ledger, and option D, sales return book. And the correct answer is option C, ledger. Question number 22 is, the book used to record only credit purchase of books is, the available options are option A, sales book, option B, journal proper, option C, cash book, option D, purchase book. And the correct answer is option D, purchase book. Question number 23 is the sales return book is used to record, and the available options are option A, all sales, option B, all returns of goods sold on credit, option C, all purchases, and option D, all returns of fixed assets. And the correct answer is option B, all returns of goods sold on credit. Question number 24 is which book records the credit sale of goods? And the available options are option A, cash book, option B, journal proper, option C, sales book, and option D, purchase return book. And the correct option is option C, sales book. Question number 25 is purchase return book is also known as, and the available options are option A, return inward book, option B, return outward book, option C, debit notebook, and option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, return outward book. Question number 26 is the document prepared when goods are returned to the supplier is, and the available options are option A, credit note, option B, debit note, option C, voucher, and option D is invoice. And the correct answer is option B, debit note. Question number 27 is which of the following is a subsidiary book? The available options are option A, trial balance, option B, journal ledger, option C, journal proper, and option D, purchase return book. And the correct answer is option D, purchase return book. Question number 28 is sales book records, and the available options are option A, credit sales of goods, option B, cash sales of goods, option C, credit sales of assets, and option D is all type of sales. And the correct answer is option A, credit sales of goods. Question number 29 is the cash book which records both cash and bank transactions is called, and the available options are option A, single column cash book, option B, double column cash book, option C, petty cash book, and option D, triple column cash book. And the correct answer is option B, double column cash book. Question number 30 is which of these is recorded in the journal proper? And the available options are option A, credit purchase of goods, option B, credit sale of goods, option C, opening entries, and option D is cash sales. And the correct answer is option C, opening entries. Question number 31 is which book is maintained to record minor and repetitive expenses? And the available options are option A, sales book, option B, petty cash book, option C, ledger, and option D, purchase return book. And the correct option is option B, petty cash book. Question number 32 is the use of special purpose book helps in, and the available options are option A, increasing errors, option B, reducing bookkeeping work, option C, making books bulky, and option D, recording only cash transactions. And the correct answer is option B, reducing bookkeeping work. Question number 33 is credit note is prepared by, and the available options are option A, buyer, option B, seller, option C, transporter, and option D, auditor. And the correct answer is option B, seller. Question number 34 is which of the following is not recorded in the sales book? And the available options are option A, cash sales, option B, credit sale of goods, option C, sales of merchandise, and option D, credit sales of finished goods. And the correct option is option A, cash sales. Question number 35 is which book is used to record all items not recorded in other subsidiary books? And the available options are option A, sales book, option B, purchase book, option C, journal proper, and option D, cash book. And the correct option is option C, journal proper. Question number 36 is the document sent by seller when goods are returned by the buyer is, and the available options are option A invoice, option B debit note, option C receipt, and option D credit note. And the correct answer is option D credit note. Question number 37 is goods returned to suppliers are recorded in, and the available options are option A purchase book, option B purchase return book, option C is sales return book, and option D is cash book. And the correct option is option B purchase return book. Question number 38 is which type of cash book includes cash column and not bank column? And the available options are option A single column, option B double column, option C petty cash book, and option D is none. And the correct option is option A single column. Question number 39 is which of the following books is used to record credit purchases only? And the available options are option A journal proper, option B purchase book, option C sales book, and option D is petty cash book. And the correct answer is option B purchase book. Question number 40 is which special book is used for recording goods returned by customers? And the available options are option A purchase return book, option B sales book, option C sales return book, and option D journal proper. And the correct option is option C sales return book. Question number 41 is opening entry is recorded, and the available options are option A in the beginning of the accounting year, option B at the end of the accounting year, option C in the middle of the accounting year, and option D anytime during the year. And the correct answer is option A in the beginning of the accounting year. Under this section, we will answer true and false question and answers. Question number 42 is the cash book is a special purpose book. And the fact is the cash book is a special journal used specifically to record cash and bank transactions. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 43 is the sales book is used to record both cash and credit sales. And the fact of the matter is the sales book records only credit sales of goods and not cash sales. Therefore, it is a false statement. Question number 44. Petty cash book is used to record small and repetitive expenses. The fact of the matter is it records minor day-to-day expenses like postage, conveyance. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 45 is credit purchases of assets are recorded in the purchase book. The fact is the purchase book records only credit purchases of goods for resale. Therefore, this is a false statement. Question number 46 is journal proper is a type of special purpose book, and the fact of the matter is it is used for transactions not recorded in other subsidiary books like adjustment entries. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 47 is return outward book is also called sales return book, and the fact is return outward book refers to purchase return book while sales return book is called the return inward book. Therefore, it is a false statement. Question number 48 is cash sales are recorded in the cash book, and the fact is all transactions involving cash inflows including cash sales are recorded in the cash book. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 49 is sales of fixed assets on credit are recorded in the sales book, and the fact of the matter is sales book is only for credit sales of trading goods, not for assets. Therefore, it is a false statement. Question number 50 is the cash book records trade discounts, and the fact is the cash book does not record trade discounts. Therefore, it is a false statement. Question number 51. The purchase book includes both cash and credit purchases, and the fact is it includes only credit purchases of goods. Therefore, it is again a false statement. Question number 52 is the journal proper can be used to record rectification entries, And the fact is, rectification entries, opening and adjustment entries are made in the journal proper. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 53 is, a credit note is issued when goods are returned by a buyer. And the fact of the matter is, when a customer returns goods, the seller issues a credit note indicating a reduction in receivable. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 54. The ledger is a type of special purpose book. The fact is, the ledger is a principal book, not a special or a subsidiary book. Therefore, it is a false statement. Question number 55. The sales return book records goods returned by customers. The fact is, it is used to record the return of goods sold on credit by customers. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 56. Opening entries are recorded in the sales book. The fact of the matter is, opening entries are recorded in the journal proper. Therefore, it is a false statement. Question 57 is, the petty cash book is usually maintained under the impressed system. And the fact is, under this system, a fixed amount is regularly reimbursed to maintain the petty cash balance. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 58. Purchase return book is used to record goods returned to suppliers. And the fact is, this book tracks return of goods previously purchased on credit. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 59. Trade discount is not recorded in the books of accounts. The fact is, trade discounts are deducted before recording the transactions and are not entered in the books. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 60 is, special purpose books helps in dividing the accounting work. And the fact of the matter is, they enable specialization and faster and more accurate bookkeeping. Therefore, it is a true statement. Question number 61 is, all entries in special purpose books are eventually posted to the ledger. And the fact of the matter is, even though entries are recorded in subsidiary books, they must be posted to the ledger accounts for finalization. Therefore, it is also a true statement. Question number 62. Goods purchased for cash are recorded in the purchase account. The fact of the matter is, both cash and credit purchases are recorded in the purchase account. Credit purchases are posted from the purchase book and the cash purchases are posted from cash book. Therefore, it is also a true statement. In this section, we will take up fill in the blanks question and answers. Question number 63 is, the primary purpose of special purpose books is to record dash type of transactions. And the correct answer is repetitive type of transactions. Question number 64 is, dash is a special book used to record all credit purchases of goods. And the correct answer is purchase book. Question number 65. Sales return book is also known as dash, and the correct word is return inward book. Question number 66. Transactions related to credit sales are recorded in dash book, and the correct answer is sales book. Question number 67. Cash transactions are recorded in the dash book, and the correct answer is cash book. Question number 68. The book used to record all credit purchases of assets is called, and the correct word is journal proper. Question number 69. The special purpose books are also known as dash books, and the correct answer is subsidiary books. Question number 70 is, goods returned to suppliers are recorded in the dash, and the correct answer is return outward book. Question number 71 is, the book used to record all credit sales return is called dash, and the correct word is sales return book. Question number 72. The cash book serves the purpose of both dash and dash, and the correct words are journal and ledger. Question number 73. Transactions that cannot be recorded in any other book are entered in dash. The correct answer is journal proper. Question number 74. Recording credit transactions in the cash book is dash. The correct word is not allowed. Question number 75. Only dash transactions are recorded in the purchases book. The correct answer is credit transactions. 76 question number is the total of sales book is posted to dash account, and the correct answer is sales account. Question number 77. Trade discount is dash recorded in the books. The correct answer is not recorded in the books. Question number 78 is special purpose books helps in dash accounting work, and the correct answer is simplifying accounting work. Question number 79. The source document for entries in the sales book is dash. The correct answer is sales invoice. Question number 80. A transaction involving depreciation is entered in the dash, and the correct answer is journal proper. Question number 81. The dash book is used to record the return of goods sold to customers, and the answer is sales return. Question number 82. Purchase book does not include dash purchases, and the correct answer is cash purchases. Question number 83. The dash system of accounting is used for maintaining special purpose books, and the correct answer is double entry. Question number 84. The transactions recorded in the special purpose books are later posted to dash, and the correct answer is ledger. Question number 85. A credit note is issued when goods are returned by the dash, and the correct answer is by the customer.
Let us now take up missing value questions. Question number 86 is on your screens. Business sold 300 shirts at $150 each and also sold 200 trousers at $300 each on credit to John LLC. Business also allowed 20% trade discount on this transaction. Now we need to fill the missing information. Let us first write the value of each of the items sold in details column. The sales value of 300 shirts will be $45,000 and the value of 200 trousers will be $60,000. The gross value of the sales will be $105,000. Now 20% trade discount is allowed to the customer, which comes to $21,000. Therefore, the net sales value of this transaction after deducting trade discount will be $84,000. The net sales value will also be written in the amounts column. Question number 86 is on your screens. Business sold 300 shirts at $50 each and also sold 200 trousers at $500 each on credit to Tully LLC. The sales value of 300 shirts for $15,000 will be written in the details column, and the sales value of 200 trousers will also be written for $100,000 under the details column. The gross total sales value will comes to $115,000. Now 20% trade discount is allowed to the customer, which comes to $23,000. Therefore, the net sales value of this credit sales transaction after deducting the trade discount will be $92,000. The net sales value will also be written in the amounts column.
Under this section, we will discuss few descriptive type of question and answers. Question number 88 on your screens is, what are special purpose books in accounting? And the answer is, special purpose books are subsidiary books used to record specific type of transactions frequently occurring in a business. They simplify journal entries by classifying transactions for ease of recording and reference. Question number 89 is, why are special purpose books used instead of a journal? The answer is, they reduce the volume of entries in the journal and speed up the recording process by categorizing similar transactions like sales, purchase, and cash dealings into separate books. Question number 90 is, what are the main types of special purpose books? And the answer is, the main types include cash book, sales book, purchase book, sales return book, purchase return book, and journal proper for miscellaneous entries. Question number 91 is, what is a cash book? And the answer is a cash book records all cash and bank transactions, including receipts and payments. It functions both as a journal and a ledger. Question number 92 is what is the purpose of the sales book? And the answer is the sales book records all credit sales of goods. It excludes cash sales and the sale of assets. Question number 93 is, do you agree that sales book is used to record invoices issued to customers in respect of goods sold on credit and not on cash? Give reasons. And the answer is, sales can either be in cash or on credit. Credit sales are recorded in the sales book and the cash sales in the cash book. The source documents for recording entries in the sales book are invoices issued to the customers. Entries are recorded with the net amount of the invoice after deducting trade discount. Question number 94 is, how is the purchase book used? And the answer is, the purchase book records credit purchases of goods meant for resale. It does not include cash purchases or asset purchases. Question number 95 is, what is the sales return book? And the answer is, it records goods returned by customers that were previously sold on credit. This helps adjust revenues and stock levels. Question number 96 is, what is an opening entry? And the answer is, opening entry is the entry made in the beginning of a financial year to open the books by debiting assets and crediting liabilities and capital appearing in the balance sheet of the previous accounting year. Question number 97 is, what is the purchase return book? And the answer is, this book records all the returns to supplier that were earlier purchased on credit. It helps to reduce the liability. Question number 98 is, what entries are made in the journal proper? And the answer is, journal proper records transactions that don't fit in other special books like opening entries, adjustments and rectification entries. Question number 99, can a single transaction be recorded in more than one special purpose book? And the answer is no. Each transaction type is entered only in its respective special book to avoid duplication and to maintain clarity. Question number 100. How do special purpose books improve efficiency? And the answer is, they allow division of work, reduce clerical errors, and help in faster recording and posting of repetitive transactions. Question number 101 is, are special purpose books mandatory for all businesses? And the answer is, no, they are not mandatory but are highly recommended for medium to large businesses with large number of transaction volumes. Question number 102, how is the balancing of cash book done? And the answer is, at the end of a period, the total of receipts and payments is compared to show the closing cash and bank balances. Question number 103, what documents support entries in the sales book? And the answer is, sales invoices issued to customer are the source documents for the sales book entries. Question number 104 is, what documents support entries in the purchase book? And the answer is, purchase invoices or the bills received from suppliers serve as the basis for recording in the purchase book. Question number 105 is, can non-trading items be recorded in the sales or the purchase book? And the answer is no, only goods related to the core business activities are recorded. Non-trading items go into the journal proper. Question number 106, what are subsidiary books? And the answer is, subsidiary books are another name for special purpose books acting as detailed log of specific transaction types. Question 107 is, how are entries from special purpose books posted to the ledger? And the answer is, periodic totals from each book are posted to the respective ledger accounts ensuring accurate classification and summary. Question number 108. For what purpose a journal proper is used? And the answer is journal proper is a residual book which is used for recording those transactions which are not recorded in any of the other books of original entry. Question number 109. Mention the subsidiary books in which the purchase of furniture on credit will be recorded. And the answer is it will be recorded in the journal proper because fixed asset purchase on credit cannot be recorded in the purchase book, and hence the appropriate subsidiary book is journal proper. In my upcoming video on 30th August 25, we will focus only on the practical illustrations related to the topic special purpose books. This will include recording of transactions in the purchase book and sales book, including the transactions related to the value of goods, freight and packing charges. We will also cover month and journal entries and learn how to post them into supplier, customer and expense ledger accounts step by step. No theory in this lesson, only practice to strengthen your application skills in the real accounting scenarios. If you enjoy the content of my channel and appreciate my teaching style, please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel at the rate Accounting Buddy NB. Thank you and goodbye for now.